Hey everybody, my name is Talman, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can change your guns on skins, like skins guns. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Valorant, and then just go to right top corner to collection, and you're gonna see like all the rifles and SMGs. So you wanna click like on the sidearm, and you're gonna see all the skins here that you can choose. And then if you bought it, you can just simply equip the skin. And again, this is like for Spectre and also Odin or light knife here. So and it's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day everybody, and goodbye.